Hey, welcome back today, guys. So we got a little change of pace. We got some electronics equipment today to look at. I won a Gov Deals auction and acquired some interesting pieces, several oscilloscopes, and some of these power supply slash function generator things that you see here. This is some kind of educational training module. It looks like we have a digital solid state power supply, a function generator, and a benchtop multimeter, which that looks like fun. None of them have anything in this slot, and I can't really see anything online that would have gone there, any other good options other than maybe a high current power supply. But anyway, alright. But what I wanted to show you guys today, I wound up with a lot, I think about 14 or so of these Nida modules. So we have these at school, and I'm going to right now. I'm taking industrial electricity at Tennessee College of Applied Technology, and we still use these Nida trainers, but we use a 130E, which has a keyboard on it. Let me just take the cover off here. This looks to be, I think the serial number on it says 97, so 90s era trainer board. And so what it does, it takes these little cards. These are a couple that I borrowed from school, and apparently all these cards kind of interchange for this series. So it appears that we have a variable DC power supply to about 25 volts. It will also do negative. It will do filament, I'm assuming for maybe vacuum tube, 6.3 volt AC. And then down here we have input, output, AC power, DC power, and then you see all these rows of pins, which we're actually missing 2 on this board, but it seems like these are probably a standard item. Anyway, so I want to start off by saying I have no idea how to actually use one of these. Just because we have them at school doesn't mean I've gotten to use them yet. So let's just stick this one in here. This one has all its pins. Now this third one has a slightly different. This one says speaker and DC power and output. And you take the card and just wiggle it down on there. And so if I had the cool benchtop multimeter set up and working, I could see that we get AC voltage here, 28 volts AC there, outputs, line voltage, low voltage, high voltage, ground, input faults. These would be output faults. Some more fault stuff. So basically, and I've tried to borrow a manual from school, but I'm going to have to look a little harder because this one's actually Unit 3. So there's apparently several of these books. This says February of '91. So these, probably one that went into production, but so we will see if we can't find later on the manual on how to use this. But this does kind of give you pinout locations. So anyway, my whole point in posting this, so you use this to enter fault codes, I guess, that you would find in this manual, and then you have problems to troubleshoot on the board. So there, when you open this up, there are banks of relays in here. There's some output, or not output, so let's just back here. You can see we have these communication ports. These are for connecting other units into it, and then this one interfaces with some kind of serial adapter. So this can go to a computer, and I guess there's a special software that'll interface with it. There's a speaker. We've got 4 fairly large transistors here. Power supply. This is no longer the property of the state of Tennessee. This is now the property of me. But my whole point in making this video today is I'm hoping some of my other electronics friends out there might see this and you know, tell me what the heck we can do with this thing. You can find these boards on eBay for about $10 a piece. I wouldn't mind getting a few and teaching myself some stuff about amplifier repair and things of that nature. But like, I mean, I've got a whole bunch of these. Like, I did not, when I bought the auction, I thought there was 2. I didn't realize there was 14. So I know, like I said, inside there's like 5 transformers. There's lots and lots of relays. You have some ICs and this digital interface thing, and you know, I mean, there's some cool bits and pieces in there, and surely this thing's hackable. You know what I mean? That's the bottom line here. What can we make out of this? Can we do anything cool? So here's what I propose. You know, I will be selling these for about $60 a piece plus shipping, which I assume, you know, with packaging and weight and everything, these are fairly heavy. This is a metal case. That's probably good 8 pounds, 10 pounds or so. So I'm assuming that, you know, $80 you can get one of these. I'll ship it to you, and you can play with it. So you know, shoot me a line if you're interested. Look on eBay. I will have them listed on there soon. I know that the 130Es currently retail for about $2,000 on there now. That's what it's listed for. Who knows if that's what people are paying? But I would think that you know, for the parts that are inside this thing's worth at least about $60 just in all the parts and pieces you could get out of it, and real high quality stuff too. And so you guys just comment, let me know, what can we do with these things? How can we hack it? I'll make another video soon, and we'll open it up and I'll show you exactly what's inside. So stay tuned. And real quick, because I'm really happy about having my own oscilloscope. Y'all see that? There we go. Look, it's a sine wave. Or sawtooth. Frequency. There we go. A little more visible. See that? Square wave. Sine wave. There we go. So yeah, I'm really excited. Obviously, need some calibration. That's coming off the function generator at 1 megahertz, square wave, and it's not very square. So obviously, it needs some calibrating, but it works. Probably good enough for what I'm going to be doing, which is hopefully testing audio amplifiers. And really excited about what we got down here. This digital multimeter, digital solid state power supply. So what is this? This says it's turn that light off. 0 to 25 volts DC, 12.6 volts AC with 2 taps at 6.3 volts AC, and then I got a 5 volt DC here. Overload, so I can. Oh, now I made it mad. It's flashing at me. Uh oh. I have no idea how that actually works. The current limit, I guess. I don't know how you set the current limit, or I don't have anything running off it, so I don't know why it's overlaying. It might have a problem. Who knows? EK Precision, Gold Star, Hitachi, Gold Star, Tektronix, 2215, and another Gold Star. So, alright, well, stay tuned, guys. Cool things are bound to happen soon.